peaceful setting. Perhaps a sunrise over a calm lake. Welcome to our guided meditation for beginners. A peaceful setting. If you're new to meditation, you've come to the right place. Let's explore simple techniques to get you started. Hitting cross-legged down a yoga mat. Sit or lie down in a position that feels natural to you. Close up of a person or just stand there surrounded on your back. Place your hands on your knees, let a timer be set for 5 minutes. Start small. Held the timer for 5 minutes. Gradually increase the time as you get more comfortable. Person closing their eyes and take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Hold it for a moment. 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 Then slowly exhale through your mouth. An animation of breath enter in and leave it out. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Person gently placing a hand on the chest. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Close up of a person's face, looking calm and peaceful. Try counting on your breaths. Inhale. Use self-service